Hey everyone, it's your girl Faye with the Clutch Makeup Truck, bringing this cut crease glam look to you. And these lashes, B-O-M-B, B-B-B, exclamation point, exclamation point, all right? And let me know if you guys want to see what I did. This is a half wig. I'm going to call it the Michael Jackson. I didn't have time to go to the barber. For those of you that know me, my head is shaved. I have to go to the barber, so wig it is, honey. Oh Lord, I could use a relaxer, baby, just curling up and all. But anyhow, makes it look more natural. Alright, so if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. And I'm going to include the link for the lashes in the description bar below. Also, like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Thanks for watching. cheeks are red because I'm having wine, and after having Carter, when I have wine, like, it makes me hot. It's the weirdest thing. Don't have kids. It's not gonna stop my show though. Alright guys, this is the final look. I don't know. And if you guys want me to do a tutorial for this hair, it's literally a $15 half wig. These lashes are popping also. Again, Maxi Lash. I'm going to include the description below, the link to where you can purchase it. If you guys have any questions, any other looks you want me to do, please comment below. Again, like, subscribe, repost, whatever it is that you do at whatever app that you do it at, if that makes sense. It might not. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks, guys.